Every customer review is data, but what if AI could understand it for you instantly? Hey everyone, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in this video I'll show you how to turn raw Google Sheets reviews into structured insights using AI automatically step by step. Step 1. Google Sheets Trigger. Google Sheets Trigger. This node watches the product review Google Sheet for new entries. Whenever a new form response is added, the workflow starts automatically. Step 2. AI Agent LangChain AI Agent. This node sends the customer's product review text to the AI. The AI analyzes the review to detect intent, sentiment, score, and a short summary. Step 3. Azure OpenAI Chat Model. Azure OpenAI GPT-4o Mini. This node provides the language model used by the AI agent. It powers the understanding and analysis of customer feedback. Step 4. Code. Parse AI JSON Code Node. This node cleans and parses the AI's JSON output. It merges review insights with the original Google Sheet data into a structured format. Step 5. Google Sheets. Update Lead. Google Sheets node. This node updates the destination sheet with enriched review data. It stores intent, sentiment, score, and summary alongside customer details. If this workflow saved you time or sparked an idea, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next automation breakdown.